Hey Josh, I need your help here.
What do we got today?
We have some competitors out there, so-called competitors,
Okay.
that had these suction side fuel systems that are real easy to bolt in, okay?
Okay.
So tell me why we didn't make ours easier and look better, because there's a couple lines, hook it up, forget about it, and go.
Yeah, no external fuel lines, and it's simple, not much to it, right? And you're talking about you're talking about our Ford drop-in system, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so on that unit, there's units out there that you just simply connect a couple of fuel lines to, put the billet housing on there, spin your filter on, basically done, right?
Why can't we do that?
We have some additional steps for some very good reasons.
Okay.
Some very good reasons. So, underneath the truck, and this is on 17 through 2024 6.7 liter power strokes.
Okay.
But underneath the truck, it's called a fuel conditioning module. And from the factory, that unit is under suction, right? And what we mean by that is fuel. There's a tube that's down in the fuel tank.
Right,
Fuel
like
leaves the tank,
trucks.
goes through the fuel conditioning module, back into the tank, gets pressurized, then back out. So when we put our system in there, the first filter on our unit is similar to factory. We match the factory micron rating there, which is 10 microns. So fuel passes through that filter, and here comes the additional steps is we're adding a pressure side filter as well underneath the truck.
Okay.
So that pressure side filter filters the particulates all the way down to 2 microns absolute, and if any water makes it past that coalescing, that first filter that we mentioned, it's going to get stopped in our extreme water separator.
Okay.
And then an additional reason for those fuel lines underneath the truck is we have the air separation.
Which is huge, right?
It's huge. It's huge.
But those guys can say, well, you know what? You have a 10 micron on the suction side, so they put a 4 micron. That's got to be better, right?
Absolutely not.
Why? They get more dirt.
Yeah, truthfully, on the suction side of a pump, you want to be able to run the highest micron possible while still giving you adequate filtration, right? Because a very low micron filter on the suction side is going to do, yes, it's going to filter those particulates, but it's going to be extremely restrictive on that factory pump, creating cavitation, which can lead to premature pump failure.
And what Josh is talking about here is what every OEM does, and yes, I don't believe it, what every OEM does is correct, but you have the loosest micron on the suction side, okay? Because the tighter that micron, the more agitation, the more everything that we talk about leads to air and vapor. So you put that on there. Now, if we put a 4 micron on there, we could take that air and vapor out, but it's going to cavitate horribly. You'll hear that sound, especially if you take our filters and reverse them, you'll have that problem. But we're able to take that air out. These people are putting a tight micron rating on, which sounds good, but they're killing the injection system. Remember that 75% of hydraulic system failures, as said by Milwaukee School of Engineering, is caused by fluid contaminants. The number one fluid contaminant is air and vapor. So please remember that. So ours is going to be a little bit more cumbersome, but we're still installing it in under an hour.
Yeah, and you know, if you are paying to put an aftermarket filtration system on your truck, you want to improve it, right? Some of these systems out there, you are literally getting worse filtration than the factory. We specialize in fuel systems and fuel filtration. So our system is going to give you much, much better than the factory filtration your truck came with, plus the air separation.
Yes, so that's why ours is a little bit more cumbersome, yet installing in under an hour typically, and you're getting all the benefits of the water removal and air separation, and you're going to increase the life of your fuel injection system by at least 3 times, with a little bit of power to be gained from that. And if you don't abuse the power, there's fuel mileage to be had.